Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Jetrid and today we are going to be doing another voiceover. I think I have like one more voiceover. Um yeah, I thought my mic wasn't working. Turns out I just had my um camera in a new setting. So yeah, it was in the wrong setting and it wouldn't. Yep, you live and you learn, it's a new camera, so I'm figuring stuff out still. But yep. All right then. Let's get into this. I believe this is the video I recorded for the screen collection. It is, I believe it's Glamlite. Yeah, it's Glamlite. Um with Ghostface. They did a collab, or we're going with that. Okay, so here I am opening the box. I I will say that the packaging for the whole collection was amazing. I bought the whole collection, you guys. Like all of the like I think it was supposed to be the pure package style one. Yeah, but I bought this through TikTok, I believe. I had it recommended and I was like, oh, I stopped it immediately. I bought the whole thing. I did not look at everything because I wanted to be surprised. So here we are. All right. Here I am fangirling already. I'm like, oh my god, it's amazing. Girl, show it already. Oh my god. Oh, there was a lot of like, yeah, it's very well protected in there. Here it is. Oh my god. It's a box. Look at the box. Isn't it amazing? Now, I am gonna keep this box. I have no clue what I'm gonna put in this box yet, but look at it. It's all amazing. Here's you guys in the reflection. Nice. But yeah, I love Ghostface. Can you tell by the mini backpack behind me? Alright. Yo. Take it all out, girl. Yeah. Where to start? I'm probably like, oh, that's a lot. Let me see here. Alright. Now this is the lip kit. And it comes with a lip liner. There's a lip gloss and a lipstick. Now this is the lipstick. And here I am swatching it for you guys. And it's just a very nice black lip liner. I can't wait to use this. Because I've been using like eyeliner as lip liner. Yup. It's really nice. All the packaging for everything, like the Ghostface lipstick is a nice nude-ish color. Here I am swatching it for you guys as well. But it has Ghostface written on it. It's like this ombre, black and silver. Everything's very like black, silver, reds to it. And it has all of the Ghostface imagery all over the packaging and the knife and everything. It's amazing, honestly, what they did. And then here is the lip gloss as well. It's a very nice shimmery type of gloss. I'm not much of a gloss person, but this one's really cute. Very sparkly and like supposed to be like a silvery gray. Obviously it looks more like see-through-ish because it is a lip gloss, which is why I don't really like lip glosses, but I'll definitely use this over like a lipstick or something that I wear. Let's see what is next. And here we have the Ghostface Black Cherry Lip Duo. Now, the lip duo consists of a lip mask and a lip scrub. Now, the scrub is, oh, they're both black cherry. That's cute. And this will be coming in very handy because my lips are always chapped. So we need that moisture. I hope it doesn't taste good. So I'm gonna wanna eat it. So next thing I'm opening here. Oh, I think I'm still struggling opening the black cherry lip duo actually. Yeah. Yeah, I opened it wrong. I still have it. I don't know if I should throw it away. It's such great packaging is the thing. And I wanna keep it, but like I don't be knowing how to open shit. So like that as you can see, that's what happens. I just be ripping it all. I will say though, it did have really nice like glue to it. So, and here's the black cherry lip scrub. I'm trying to show you guys the like little packaging to it. Like it's all really nice. A little ghost face on the top. It's so cute. And it smells amazing. Y'all, so cute. I'm just like, oh, everything's so nice. Oh my god. Yep, the black cherry lip mask. So cute, honestly. Like everything is just amazing. It smells great. I can't wait to try everything out, especially this lip mask and scrub. Like I said, my lips are chapped right now. They are dry as fuck. Yeah, I'm like, no, I'm not struggling with that. Nope. Moving on. What do we have here? Oh, I think this is the beauty blender. Yeah, they got a whole ass beauty blender in it. The shape of Ghostface. Like it literally is that. Here, I have it next to me. Let me like it's amazing. It's so cute. It's just a black beauty blender with they put they put his face on it. You guys look at that. It's so cute. Like I'm not gonna want to use that. I am not like no. This can how are you gonna look at little Ghostface beauty blender and be like, yeah, I'm gonna use him? Like, no, I don't want you to get dirty, sir. This is what happens with the cute beauty blenders. I just like keep them cutesies. I have a little pumpkin and a ghosty too. Don't use them. I think I only used the pumpkin one once. Okay, next thing coming up, it is this is the Ghost Blood Lip Oil. Yes, yes, yes. I'm trying to show you guys the swatch here of it all. And it is just so cute. It's more of a shimmery. Like I said, it's a gloss. You know how I feel already about glosses. This one's a nice, like, mauvish color. But it's very, like, thick. I like that. Because it'll give me that moisture that I need. That I told you guys. Look at that. The Ghost Face palette. The one and the only. It says Ghost Face Return, and look at that. The face changes, and it is amazing. I'll have to create a look with this palette for you guys because I already used it once for Valentine's Day. It has those reds, and oof, it is so amazing. I definitely have to create another look this time for you guys. But yeah, look at all those shimmers and I love that. Like, I love reds as like shadows, and just give me all the shimmers, not nudes, but like, color. Like I said, I love color. Look at, like, it spells out Ghost Face lives in the little shadows. I'm trying to show you guys that. But yeah, it's amazing. Like, the details to everything it's really well thought out, honestly. Like, no wonder this is all, it's probably, ooh, there I am sneezing, ew. So much. The packaging, like I said, the packaging, everything, amazing, detailed. Oh, and this, oh my god, this was the reason I said I have to get all of this. Like, it was the one thing that I saw that stood out, that I was like, yes, yes, I need it. I need it. Like SpongeBob. All right. Oh, look at it. The little knifey shape. Oh my god. Look, it's you guys and my mess that I made from opening all of this. It has Glamlite on the side, and then it says Ghost Face there with the Ghost Face. Like, I'm definitely going to be using this so often. So often. I love it so much. I loved everything, but that is like my favorite. Like, that was it right there. Alright, you guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did opening this. And again, sorry for the voiceovers, but I definitely want to put these out either way. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment down below what you think of this collection. I personally loved every bit of it, and I can't wait to show you guys in another video a look for everything. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, share with your friends, and all that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.